Recording number 4, table. Data on. Data is information, figures, statistics that can be shown in a table, bar graph, or other types of visual representations. This table shows data on the type of sports that each group of boys played. Proportion of. A proportion of something is a part, share, or portion of a whole. The comparative relation between parts. A large proportion of the residents in megacities must use public transportation. A large proportion of the boys played football. Took part in. To perform, to play, to be involved in. He took part in 4 different shows last year. She took part in the first 3 meetings but missed the final one. In both groups, 19% of boys took part in swimming. Notable exception of. Notable means that it is worthy of noticing or taking something into consideration. Remarkable, outstanding. Exception means a person or thing that is excluded from a place or a rule, not present. An exception is something that doesn't conform to the general rule or situation. Very important officials were at the meeting with the notable exception of the president. That means the president wasn't there. With the notable exception of swimming, a larger percentage of younger boys took part in sports overall. Participated in. You participate in something like a sport, a game, a class, an event, a competition. You take part in it. You perform in it. My sons participated in a class on computer programming this past week. She participated in sports up until she was 15. The table shows that more than half the boys in both groups participated in football. Additionally, used as a transition word when you want to add more information to the paragraph, followed by a comma. When discussing the information in a table or chart, you can say something about the data and then add something else about the same category. Additionally, the table shows that there was an equal percentage of boys who participated in swimming. Additionally, early clinical trials have indicated that the drug might also help treat diabetes. Similar figure. Similar means like or almost the same, or sharing some features or characteristics. Figure, meaning the number. Similar figures were found for the incidence in arthritis in this population in 2 different studies. This table shows similar figures for rugby. Respectively. Used to talk about something in precisely the order given, sequentially. Their weights were 80 kilograms and 100 kilograms, respectively. Always separated by a comma. The percentage of boys 6 to 11 and boys 12 to 16 who played rugby was 23 and 21, respectively.